guys, welcome to my channel. In this episode I'm going to explain you the PyCharm, what a PyCharm mean, and all chief parts of this program for beginner. And before starting video, I want you to subscribe and put like to my channel, and let's go. So you have to install PyCharm, as you can see. So this application, the link will be in description down below. So this edition has two forms. First is free and second for paid. I think the paid is about 200 or so, and I don't remember the target number, but I can say that the second part is not for free. So for example, I am just using the free edition and I don't have any concern about this. Everything is good. I didn't saw any limits there, maybe because I didn't have a big project. My biggest project was Jarvis, and that's all, and I didn't have any problems with Jarvis. And now if you are a beginner, I recommend you to install free version of PyCharm. But if you have enough money, so you can just go and install the PyCharm for the paid form. Alright, so now I'm going to enter to the PyCharm. So I have here the little window PyCharm, so I just put the PyCharm here to easily enter to the PyCharm by one click. Alright guys, let's just enter. So this is gonna look like this, and you have to wait this program opening. Okay guys, so my PyCharm look like this, but your PyCharm is gonna look like a little bit, the other form, but don't worry about it. All you just need, you have to press to the plus button, and in my case is new project, and then here you will see these line where you have to press the button where you want to save your projects. For example, I want to save my project location to the desktop. All right, so I'm going to find the desktop. Great, I'm going to just double press and press OK. Now your file is going to be in the desktop. But if you don't want to do anything, it's okay, just don't do anything. You can just keep everything as it was. But I prefer to keep everything as it was. Then you have to go a little bit down. So if your condition like this, just press this sign which is left in a corner. Alright, then keep everything default. Then what you have to do is set the interpreter. Alright, in my case it's Python 3.6. Then what you need to do, just press the create button in a right corner, and we're waiting for it. Then it's gonna loading the components. Great, it's just loading the preparing workspace for working, and your default Python name is gonna be main.py, but you can rename it. So, and you will have some, you will have this program. It's okay. All you need is just take all this program and delete it. So I will explain you one code. If you are a great and new Pythoner, it's gonna be nice for you if you will know this command, print. Alright, so I want to explain you what a print mean, and I will explain you the chief parts of the PyCharm. But what I want to say you can install the simple Python too, and you can open the files with using the Python CMD or PyCharm. I'm usually just using the PyCharm and everything is okay. This is a comfortable tool for me. It gives me a lot of opportunity. Here you can learn everything almost. For example, when I write a if some program, I understood that if we just invent the if component is a one folder. I'm going to explain you it later, alright? So in my video I'm going to explain you what a print means and the chief parts of Python, PyCharm. Great. Now you will see this green sign here. That means everything is okay. So I want to start from print, for example, and hello world. Great. And if you will just I recommend you to click the right click to the mouse and click the run main, or you can press this green button here and look at the result as you can see. And if you will write the program like this, you will see in a terminal hello world. Congratulations, you wrote your first program. And what I want to talk about print, if you will don't put these signs here, so that means you have some hello world folder here. What I mean, so if you want to write like this, you have to write hello world. Alright, so equals to the hello world, and I just advise you write the underline. Alright, great. And if you will press it now, as you can see, hello world. So these let me just change this name to prove you that, for example, human. Alright, human. Great. So now I'm gonna press again. Oh, great. Now, as you can see, human, this program is showing you the hello world's value. Hello world is become a box, and inside the box you put the human. But you make your work more longer. Why you do that? It's great to write the name here, right here, hello world. And if you put these signs here, so that means you want to just, take out this hello world to the terminal and press again, as you can see. Congratulations, you wrote your first program. And now I'm going to explain the chief parts of this program. What is that? So you will start to work on project, or you are an advanced worker and you start to use PyCharm. What you want to know, you mustn't every time go to the CMD here, for example, CMD, and write here pip install something. You mustn't. But first of all, you have to go a little bit down and you will see here the terminal. Alright, terminal, or you can press the ALT and at the same time F12. Press it and wait a little bit. In my case, I have to wait a little bit. Alright, so now you have to, if you want to install some libraries, or if you are a new Pythoner, you have to write pip install PyInstaller. It's gonna be the great opportunity to start downloading your imports. As you can see, in my case, it's requirement already satisfied. I have already installed it. The second chief thing which you have to know. Today we're going to talk about 5 chief things. The second chief thing is to invent a file. If you are in project, right, and you want to invent the second Python inside this window, what you have to do, you go into the Python project file here, look here, press the right click, new, go a little bit down, Python file. you have to select a Python file if you want to work with Python. But about the other commands we will talk later. Okay, now you have to give a name. In my case, I want to give a hello world as a popular world, alright? And you will see the second Python here. And what I want to tell you, for example, you wrote here print, alright, hello world. Great. How you can make, you know, I'm sorry, let's give a value here. Then it's gonna be great. I'm gonna say g equals to the hello world and print great. I just wrote the prompt print g without any sign. So if you want to know why without these signs, go to my current videos. I explained about this in my last videos. So if you want to look, if you will launch it here, we're not going to see anything, but we have something here. I want to just, you know, show this file here. So then you have to write from hello world import what we're going to import g. Great. Okay guys, so I recommend you to write these names, this name with underline, and it's going to help you to work to import file without any problem. Okay guys, so now what I'm gonna do after naming my file, I'm going to make a little bit correction. So I'm gonna delete this print g because I don't want to get a second hello world here as I got now. Now we're gonna write from hello world import, write this hello world with underline if you don't want to get some problem. Import g. What is this g? G is this one, alright? So here now we're gonna write print g, and now you made a connection between main.py and hello world, and now you can launch the hello world.py in main.py. Let's just check this out. Great, we got hello world again. And if you want to get some more information about the PyCharm, just let me know in comment down below, alright? And the installation and all about the PyCharm is going to be in the description. Okay guys, that was our tutorial lesson, and I think you loved it and you appreciated it. Just then put like and subscribe my channel, and see you next time. Alright guys, goodbye. I love you. Be safe. Stay in Windows.